So this is the 56 Ops Group and Maintenance Group Open House. So we train the B coursers here for the F-16 and the F-35. We also train the controllers over at the 607th. We brought a bunch of jets out. With the 607th Air Control Squadron, the maintenance, a couple bombs, the Singaporeans, to kind of showcase the 56 Fighter Wing mission to the base, support agencies, its honoraries, and kind of get everybody involved with what we do here. We really wanted to tie them in to the mission here at Luke because they don't get to see what the Fighter Wing does on a day-to-day basis. So we wanted to kind of get everything together so they can come out, bring their families, and take a more closer and kind of in-depth look at the jets, the maintainers, the life support equipment, and kind of how their roles tie into the secondary role here of training fighter pilots at Luke. The flight suit and the jets are pretty recognizable, but it's nice to be able to interact with the the airmen here at the base and the community members to try and really show them exactly what we do. This one's been pretty successful, and it's nice to get everybody out here. I just want to offer my thanks to everybody that came out here to help. So we've got the maintenance group, the ammo, weapons, the 607th, Det 9, the fire department. It really was a group effort to get everything out here and set up a solid event to really showcase everything we do here at Luke. So most of the muscle movement went to them, and so I appreciate everything they did.